Want to know how to make the code more interactive in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your code more interactive so that the user can interact with it more often. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you need to open up your Cursor AI application. So we have created various videos regarding Cursor AI and how to code with them. So make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, we can see this C# code that I have written. And now since I want to add a proper interaction enabled to my code, I can just simply select the entire code, and here you should be seeing quick edit. You can just simply select that, or just simply select Ctrl+K, which will open this up right here. So what you can do is you can just simply select this prompt. So what you can just simply type in is make the code more interactive. So once I have typed in that, it should generate or start generating your result right here. So once that is done, after a while, your code should be generated and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.